In this video, we're going to be improvising where both hands are working with an open fifth on the white keys, the same open fifth. So what I mean by that, let's say here I'm in an F position, one finger per white key, classic beginner's pentascale position. But we're not going to use the middle three fingers. We're only using the thumb and the fifth finger. We're in an F open fifth position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I counted the white keys, the first and the fifth. That is a classic position for lots of different styles of music, moving around the keyboard. Now the left hand is also going to have the open fifth. But instead of it being a block, it's going to be broken. So instead of doing this, we're going to have... Now, maybe I create a pattern. Okay, just those two notes. In the right hand, it's going to be block. Same pentascale, in this, or excuse me, same hand position, A5, A open fifth, or what's called a power chord in rock and pop and popular culture. It's called a power chord, or an A5, an F5, a G5, a C5. Okay, but we're going to have a pattern here and a block here. I'm going to move it to F, both hands, G, A, I'm going to go to D, E, F, D. Great. Does the right hand need to be just held the whole time? It doesn't. Maybe we have it slowly pulse. This is much harder to coordinate, but once you hear something like that, it's something that you can practice and get better at. So if this is going like this and this is... Ah, caught me. So... That's a tricky combination, but with practice, I could get it. All of this is spontaneous, so what if we pulsed faster? Oh my gosh. You got the idea. Something for me to practice, right, to really demonstrate that. I could also have maybe the same rhythm in both hands. Broken pattern. This has the block, but they're doing the same rhythm. If I was doing a broken idea down here, I could make it simpler. Then I could demonstrate everything for you. Maybe instead of a pattern, I'm just rocking back and forth between two notes. F, G, D. So broken fifth in the left hand, the same fifth in the right hand, but the right hand is block, held or pulsed or with some sort of rhythmic pattern. You can create a broken pattern down here or something very simple, alternating back and forth. So a lot of variety with a very simple concept, both hands doing open fifths. It's a great beginner's idea for improvising.